Ahoy cruisers! Ever wondered what really goes on behind the scenes of your dream cruise vacation? From secret codes to hidden hideaways and even pirate prep drills. Yup, you're in for a wild ride. Let's dive into the untold world of cruise ships. Okay, first up, Code Red. That's not just a color, folks. It means there's a contagious virus on board and it's deep clean time. Sick passengers, locked in their cabins. But the creepiest code of all? Operation Rising Star? And nope, it's not a talent show. It sadly means a passenger has passed away. Then there's Bright Star for minor medical issues. And brace yourself for this one. PVI. Public vomiting incident. Some ships just scream Purel, Purel, Purel when it happens. Not kidding. If there's ever a real emergency, you'll hear 7 short blasts followed by 1 long one. That's your cue to head to the muster station. Basically, your lifeboat drill HQ. Safety first. Yeah, ships actually have a morgue. Usually hidden on the lowest deck, it can store 2 to 10 bodies depending on the ship. Authorities are contacted and the body stays until the next port, or the end of the cruise. Grim, but true. Rowdy passengers, beware. There's a mini jail on board called the Brig. Not exactly Alcatraz, but enough to cool down any rule breakers. Want peace and quiet? Head to the forward or aft ends of the ship. Fewer crowds, better views, some ship-specific tips. Seabourn, Deck 5, Aft Pool, Carnival hidden forward decks, Royal Caribbean Oasis class, Joggers track views, Silver Origin stargazing platform, and Disney Deck 7 lookout. Yup, pirate drills still exist, especially near the Horn of Africa. Nighttime lockdowns, lights off, and passengers told to stay inside. But don't panic. Cruise ships are too big and fast, and they've got defenses like hoses and even razor wire. Forward cabins? Epic views but a bit rocky. Aft cabins? Gorgeous shipwake views and bigger balconies? Just remember, more walking means more dessert. Pro tip, check the deck plan before booking. Avoid rooms near noisy spots. Under your feet, there's a crew hallway called I-95 where everything happens. Luggage, meals, medical, even crew naps. Crew rooms are tiny. Bunk beds, no windows, and bathroom multitasking at its peak. Toilet plus shower plus brushing your teeth, all at once. Whether you're booking your first cruise or just love a peek behind the curtain, now you know the secrets. If you found this cool, give it a like, share it with your cruise buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more. And hey, stay curious, stay chill, and I'll see you on the next deck.